Andy, we know there's solid timber flooring.
Yeah.
And we know there's engineered timber flooring.
Yes.
What's the difference?
There's also other engineered floorings, Tom, and that's the problem where people come unstuck.
Right.
Because the engineering actually 10 years ago was not the way it is now. It's changed dramatically. So now we've got some of the quality engineered flooring now actually is superior to the solid timber flooring.
Right.
Because people are wanting these wide boards, but they've still got more timber here where they need it as against what they think is solid, but actually you've only got down to the top of the tongue as a workable, usable material. So a much different concept to what it was years ago, where all we had was what they call a veneer, which is a thin piece of timber, which is like a piece of paper, as against a solid piece of timber, which is called a lamella. And that lamella can be 2 mil, 4 mil, 6 mil, giving you more timber than what solid gives you in a lifetime of the floor. So a whole different concept and allowing us now to make much wider floors. And as you'll see down here at the Building Design Centre, a whole range of the solid, the engineers and different widths of boards, and that gives you a complete concept. Some of them pre-finished, some of them still raw, so they can be finished and coated on site. And then also stair profiles can be done using the engineered floors, which has given a complete package to make sure the stairs match perfectly with the flooring.
And tell me, so how does someone go about getting a measuring quote for their home?
We really like you to come down here to the Building Design Centre, because here is where we've got all the display here. It's a beautiful display, other things here, but we can have it by appointment, which you can do through our Queensland Timber Flooring sales office, and contact us and we can meet you here, or you can come and just have a look around yourself and contact us after that visit.
Thanks for your time, Andy.
Been good. Thanks, Tom.